Shopping for a car in 2025? New vehicles are averaging close to $50,000 right now. SUVs? Even worse. But here's what most people don't realize. You can skip that entire price range and still drive home in something dependable. Plenty of solid SUVs are sitting on used lots right now for less than 20 grand. Keep them maintained properly and they'll hit 200,000 miles without breaking a sweat. We're not talking about junkers either. These are Consumer Reports-backed models with real buyers vouching for them. So if you're trying to avoid a giant car payment while still getting reliable wheels, you're in the right place. Here are the 10 best used SUVs under $20,000, counting down from 10 all the way to number 1. Number 10, 2020 Mitsubishi Outlander. Kicking off the list at number 10, the 2020 Mitsubishi Outlander. Yeah, Mitsubishi isn't exactly the first brand people think about anymore when shopping for SUVs, but hear me out on this one. This thing is seriously slept on in the used market right now. The trick here? Make sure you're getting the V6 model specifically. Sure, they made a base 4-cylinder and even a plug-in hybrid version, but if you want the right mix of punch and genuine longevity, the 3-liter V6 is where it's at. You're getting 224 horses working through a 6-speed automatic transmission. Power comes on smooth and predictable, cruising on the freeway is chill and relaxed, and you won't feel stressed or underpowered when merging into traffic. Gas mileage? Surprisingly decent for a V6 engine, 23 combined. Plus, you get 3 rows of seats as standard and the option for all-wheel drive capability. And the best part? Clean examples are floating around well under 20 grand right now. It's more capable and polished than people give Mitsubishi credit for these days. Number 9, the 2022 Ford Edge. This is a 5-seater mid-size model that packs in a bunch of current technology without demanding luxury-level money from your wallet. For under $20,000, you're likely landing a turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder model. Comes paired with an 8-speed automatic and standard all-wheel drive capability. Drives smooth and composed, feels planted on the road, doesn't wander around. EPA rates it at 21 in town, 28 on the highway for fuel economy. Consumer Reports handed it above-average reliability scores and stuck an official CR recommended buy sticker on it. Standard safety gear includes automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring alerts, and lane keeping assistance, all the modern stuff parents actually care about and use daily. Here's the wild part. You can grab a 2022 Edge for under 20 grand with the odometer still south of 100,000 miles. That's a relatively new SUV loaded with modern features for bargain pricing. Number 8, the 2020 Subaru Crosstrek. At number 8 on the countdown, the 2020 Subaru Crosstrek. Need all-wheel drive that actually works in real conditions while still getting decent fuel economy? This is your move right here. Subaru's whole identity is building all-wheel drive systems that don't quit when conditions get rough, and the Crosstrek brings that legendary capability without wrecking your budget. The 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine isn't winning any drag races or setting speed records, but it pulls an EPA-estimated 30 miles per gallon combined. That's legitimately impressive when all 4 wheels are constantly getting power. Cargo room is solid considering its compact size, great for weekend trips or hauling outdoor gear. Consumer Reports gives it a strong recommendation based on extensive feedback from actual owners. People consistently rave about how it drives and how well it holds up over time. Live somewhere with brutal winters and heavy snow, like taking dirt roads occasionally on weekends? The Crosstrek handles it all without complaint. For under 20 grand, you're buying into Subaru's legendary toughness and capability. Number 7, the 2013 to 2015 Toyota Venza. This particular SUV was criminally underrated and overlooked when it was sitting new on dealer lots. Smart shoppers today, they know exactly what's up with this one. Toyota gave it a solid update in 2013, cleaner exterior lines, noticeably nicer interior materials, and better technology features. 2 engines were available at the time, but skipped the base option entirely and go straight for the 3.5-liter V6, making 268 horsepower. Accelerates confidently when you need it, cruises smoothly and comfortably on highways, and still manages 20 combined on fuel. That particular engine has a proven track record for reliability. Here's the sweet spot that makes this such a smart buy. The 2014 model specifically earned a flawless 5 out of 5 reliability score from Consumer Reports and grabbed official CR recommended buy status. You're looking at prices between $14,000 and $18,000 depending on mileage and overall shape. That's an absolute steal for a Toyota V6 with that kind of proven reputation. Want reliability at a serious discount? The Venza's got you completely covered. Number 6. The 2019 Mazda CX-5. Number 6 on our list, the 2019 Mazda CX-5. Mazda completely overhauled and redesigned this thing back in 2017, and by 2019 they'd ironed out all the small kinks and perfected the formula. This SUV genuinely punches way above its weight class in terms of quality. Looks sharp and modern, interior feels expensive and well-crafted, and it drives better than SUVs costing significantly more money than it sells. For under $20,000, you're getting the 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine with 187 horsepower mated to a 6-speed automatic transmission. The combo delivers peppy acceleration and sharp, responsive handling, genuinely enjoyable to drive on a daily basis, which you honestly don't get often in this category. Gas mileage? Surprisingly decent for a setterback, 24 combined. Plus, you get 3 rows of seats as standard and the option for all-wheel drive capability. And the best part? Clean examples are floating around well under 20 grand right now. It's more capable and polished than people give Mitsubishi credit for these days. Number 5. The 2019 Honda Passport. Sitting at number 5, the 2019 Honda Passport. When people think about used Honda SUVs, they automatically default to either the Pilot or the CR-V. The Passport? Totally overlooked in most shoppers' minds, which is honestly wild because it's absolutely rock solid. Honda refreshed the Passport in 2019 with updated exterior looks and smarter interior packaging. Under the hood lives the same powerful 280 horsepower 3.5-liter V6 and smooth 9-speed automatic transmission. Power delivery stays consistent and confident throughout the rev range. Gets 21 combined on fuel economy, which works perfectly fine for both city life and longer road trips. Decent examples are out there on used lots just under 20 grand. It won't turn heads or get your adrenaline pumping with excitement, but it's a genuinely trustworthy 2-row crossover that'll keep running reliably. If excitement and flash take a back seat to proven dependability in your priority list, the Passport is absolutely your answer. Number 4. The 2015 to 2016 Acura RDX. This number 4 on our list is particularly interesting and pretty smart. Number 4 on the countdown is the 2015 to 2016 Acura RDX. Looking for something that successfully mixes reliability with a bit of upscale feel and luxury touches? Pay close attention here. This compact luxury SUV runs a buttery smooth 3.5-liter V6, cranking out 278 horsepower. Actually fun and engaging behind the wheel. Unlike competitors leaning heavily on turbocharged engines, Acura stuck with naturally aspirated power, smooth, predictable, and fewer potential mechanical headaches down the road. 6-speed automatic transmission shifts like butter throughout the gears. Classic Acura engineering philosophy. Fuel economy lands at 23 combined, balancing power and efficiency nicely. Consumer Reports slapped official CR recommended buy badges on both the 2015 and 2016 model years, with owners consistently praising how few problems they've encountered long-term. Also holds resale value better than most competitors in this segment. Clean examples typically run $15,000 to $20,000 depending on condition and accumulated miles. Smart buy for informed shoppers who do their research. Number 3. The 2017 Toyota Highlander. Coming in at number 3, the 2017 Toyota Highlander. Toyota made serious, meaningful improvements for the 2017 model year. Sharper exterior styling, upgraded interior materials and design, and better safety technology across the entire lineup. What you get is a 3-row family howler with Toyota's bulletproof reliability reputation solidly backing it up. Power comes from a time-tested 3.5-liter V6 making 295 horsepower, working through an 8-speed automatic transmission that debuted with this particular refresh. Accelerates without hesitation when you need it, cruises effortlessly and quietly on highways, and gets around 22 combined on fuel. But reliability is truly the headline story here. Consumer Reports consistently ranks it as one of the most problem-free SUVs you can possibly buy. Owners routinely report
without crossing 200,000 miles with nothing more than basic routine maintenance like oil changes. Well-kept 2017 models range from $16,000 to $24,000 depending on accumulated miles and specific trim level. Need a spacious, genuinely bomb-proof 3-row SUV for the family? The Highlander is one of the safest bets out there.
Number 2, 2015 Lexus RX. Second place goes to the 2015 Lexus RX. This is genuinely where luxury meets legendary reliability and outstanding long-term value. Lexus basically wrote the book on refined, quiet SUVs, and the RX stays completely true to that reputation. Underneath the premium exterior sits Lexus's rock-solid 3.5-liter V6 that's famous throughout the industry for lasting forever. With 270 horsepower on tap, it accelerates smoothly and confidently, cruises like you're literally floating on air, and stays whisper quiet inside the cabin. 6-speed automatic transmission shifts seamlessly without you noticing. Fuel economy hits 21 combined. Here's the real kicker that makes this such a smart purchase. These routinely sail past 200,000 miles without any major mechanical drama or expensive repairs. Consumer Reports gives it top reliability marks year after year consistently. You get the full luxury ownership experience without the nightmare repair bills and constant maintenance costs European luxury brands are notorious for. Want something that feels genuinely premium but doesn't punish you financially at service time? The RX is the obvious play.
1. 2019 Honda CR-V.
And taking the number 1 spot on our entire list, the 2019 Honda CR-V. This thing just works, plain and simple. Honda completely redesigned it back in 2017, and by 2019, it was firing on all cylinders. Roomy and versatile interior, smart storage solutions throughout, stellar reliability reputation. Standard engine is a smooth 2.4-liter 4-cylinder, but most people opt for the available 1.5-liter turbocharged engine, putting out 190 horsepower with noticeable better acceleration. Both run through Honda's continuously variable transmission, delivering smooth power delivery and averaging 29 combined on fuel economy. Consumer Reports officially stamps it as recommended. Owners constantly praise the comfortable ride quality, roomy back seat with good legroom, and best-in-class cargo space that beats competitors. Clean 2019 models go for $18,000 to $24,000, depending on specific trim level and accumulated miles. Looking for a practical, reliable, efficient, comfortable SUV that just does everything well without any major weaknesses? The CR-V absolutely earns the top spot. No compromises here. There's your countdown from 10 to 1. 10 genuinely excellent used SUVs under $20,000 that won't strand you on the roadside or drain your wallet on constant fixes and repairs. Each single one has proven reliability backing it, real buyer feedback supporting it, and plenty of life left to push well past 200,000 miles with proper care and maintenance. Whether you specifically need all-wheel drive for rough weather, 3 rows for a growing family, a touch of luxury without luxury prices, or just something that reliably starts every single morning without drama, this list has you completely covered. If this was helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more content. Drop a comment below. Which one would you personally grab? Thanks for watching.